Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a black screen issue in Linux Mint. First, restart your computer. As it begins to boot, press and hold the Shift key. On some systems, you may need to press the Escape key instead. This will open the grub menu. Once you see the menu, use the arrow keys to highlight your default boot option. Now press the letter E on your keyboard to edit the boot settings. You will see several lines of text. Look for the line that starts with the word Linux. Move your cursor to the end of that line. Add a space, then type no mode Z. This option disables certain graphics features that can cause the black screen. After adding it, press Ctrl and X together to boot using this temporary setting. If your system loads correctly, it means the issue is related to your graphics driver. If that does not work, restart again and go back to the grub menu. This time, select Advanced Options. Then choose Recovery Mode. In the Recovery menu, select DPKG to repair broken packages. Let the process finish, then choose Resume Normal Boot. Once you are able to access your desktop, open the Driver Manager from the menu. Let it scan for available drivers. Select the recommended NVIDIA proprietary driver if you are using an NVIDIA graphics card. Apply the changes and restart your system. If the problem still continues, open the terminal and run system update commands. After updating, try installing the driver again. Thanks for watching.